5 tips for cleaning up your diet. As we transition into a new season, it's the perfect time to reevaluate our diet and make some healthy changes. Autumn, in particular, is considered a time for cleansing in various holistic traditions. In this video, we'll explore 5 practical tips for cleaning up your diet and improving your overall well-being. Tip number 1. Drink more water. Our bodies depend on water for proper function, and yet, many of us don't get enough. The average adult should aim for at least 2 liters a day, but this can vary based on factors like weight and activity level. Proper hydration can lead to feeling more satisfied, increased energy, better digestion, and even clearer skin. So, ask yourself, are you drinking enough water? Tip number 2. Hot lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of hot water and fresh lemon juice on an empty stomach can kickstart hydration and improve digestion. It's a simple practice that can also help regulate your appetite. Have you tried it? Share your experience with us. Tip number 3. Do you really need breakfast? The breakfast debate is ongoing, but what's most important is finding what works for you. Whether you love breakfast or find it a chore, explore what truly suits your body. Maybe it's a hearty morning meal, or perhaps a cup of hot lemon water followed by a later breakfast. Share your breakfast insights with us. Tip number 4. Eat more fruits and veggies. When cleaning up your diet, focus on abundance rather than restriction. Fruits and vegetables are packed with water, fiber, and nutrients. By increasing your daily intake, you naturally make room for healthier choices. Have you tried this approach? Let us know how you feel. Tip number 5. Focus on whole foods. Instead of fixating on what to avoid, concentrate on what to embrace. Swap out processed foods for whole alternatives. Try whole grain bread, brown rice, whole grain pasta, or natural sweeteners like coconut sugar or maple syrup. Small changes can make a big difference. Have you made any swaps lately? In conclusion, these 5 tips offer simple and effective ways to clean up your diet and improve your overall health. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress and what works best for your unique needs. We'd love to hear about your dietary journey. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.